One question that I get asked very commonly is how long do I cook my food and how do I store it? Temperature abuse of food, which is basically not cooking the food at a safe temperature or leaving the food out at an unsafe temperature, is one of the main causes for foodborne illnesses. So what I tell folks is, firstly, cook your red meat, say beef, pork, lamb and others, to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, measured by a food or a meat thermometer. Cook all ground meats like ground beef or ground pork to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and all poultry products including chicken and the Thanksgiving turkey to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're storing cooked items or meat leftovers, then make sure that you cover them, wrap them in airtight packaging or seal them and separate them from other foods. What this does is it keeps the bacteria out, it helps preserve moisture and prevents food from picking up any odors from other foods. Make sure to refrigerate the food at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower temperature, or freeze the leftovers at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. You can keep them in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or you can freeze them for 3 to 4 months. You can freeze them for a longer period of time, but the food may actually lose its flavor or texture and it may not be as appealing. Storage temperatures vary from product to product. For example, if you have a salad that contains egg, chicken, ham or tuna, they don't really freeze well, but can be refrigerated for 3 to 4 days. So depending on the type of food, the storage temperature varies. For further information, please visit the Yukon Food Safety website. For more questions, reach us at Yukon Extension.